is that? Yes!
What'd you get?
Awesome!
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Oh, ice pick?
Oh, harpoon.
Awesome. I've been wanting one of those since I saw Tanner catch one. And mine's better.
That's so cool.
Mine's way better.
You need to make a
That's
hat
a
out
good
of it.
shape.
Dude, that
Look
is
at
a good
that.
one. Yep. I'm gonna have
You
to.
can actually
A
mount
little
that.
wood pick or
Yeah.
an ice pick?
No, it's for pushing off from docks or pulling the boat towards the dock.
See, everyone keeps telling me they're wood for logging or ice.
No, these are way too small for logging. Maybe ice, but I don't think so.
That's awesome.
Cool.
Put it on the
GoPro,
front of
stop
a hat.
recording.
Nobody will melt it.
Dude, that's my favorite find, Tanner. Yours was my favorite find, but yours was like 500 years older.
Now you can take like a broom puller.